If your rear wheel motor makes grinding noise like this one, especially when you pedal pretty hard or none, then you might be in luck today. Easy fix, $10. All you need is freewheel. In my case I had to get 8 speeds and key for it. Buy this one with big square hole. Small round hole will not fit because motor shaft is kind of big. At first remove the wheel, take your time, don't rush. You should even find on motor wire special connector which you can easily unplug. But be very gentle with motor wire, it can be easily damaged. As you can see and hear, my freewheel has huge play on bearings, so it might be the issue. Now place the key and unscrew freewheel. Of course, counterclockwise rotation, you will have to use lots of force. Now install new freewheel, it will tighten itself, so it's pretty done. As you can hear, it's fixed. All useful links you can find in comment section.